For me, it's the shareability. Um, I think the fact that I can um, have documents available at the drop of a dime, but then I can share with someone as needed um, if they need that information. And generally, that's my children. But at one point it could be my brother or my sister or something like that. I'll have the ability to kind of get that information to them, at a moment's notice. No waiting for me to go home, try to find a document, scan it, get it over to them. Got to get into a secure drive because I don't want to go in through the email and all these other things. I don't have to think about that anymore. Now it's an easier process. But we experienced a fire and we lost everything. And we only had literally the clothes on our backs and the kindness of friends and family who took us in. I can't imagine what my parents went through to kind of recreate their paper trail